Prepare to be amazed when you see this incredible new Monarch floor plan from First Texas Homes. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath home features a stunning brick elevation with covered porch and optional stone accents. As you pass through the custom 8-foot entry door, you'll find a private study and full bath. As you step through the elegant foyer, you'll find an extensive formal dining room that's just perfect for entertaining family and friends. The dining area leads to a spacious family room with high ceilings, available hardwood flooring, and a spectacular custom fireplace. Just off the family room is a dream kitchen that includes a large center island, stainless steel appliances, a gas range and oven, custom cabinets, and a breakfast nook with large windows overlooking the covered patio. The owner's suite offers a spacious private getaway with tray ceilings and access to the private courtyard. You'll be amazed by the luxurious master bath with spa-quality amenities, including a relaxing garden tub, separate shower, and dual vanities with granite countertops. 3 more secondary bedrooms and a 3rd bath complete this Monarch plan. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Monarch floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in-ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.